lecture discuss 1.3 points. What is that? Quantifiers, converse, inverse, negation, and contrapositive. Depends on that. Take the examples. Exercise 1.3. Question number 1 is there. If A having the set P 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Determine the truth value of each of the following statement. Each of the following. What are given here? See here. Question number 1 is given. What is this symbol? Meaning of this symbol? What is that? There exists X belongs to A. There exists X belongs to A such that X minus A equal to 1. Check out this. What is that? There exists X belongs to A such that X minus A equal to 1. Means what? Here X is a variable. You can put the values where that X belongs to A. You know the set of A having the elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Then question is what? Determine the truth value of the following. You have to determine the truth value. Then what is the solution here? See here. What is given? X minus 8 equal to 9. Check out. See here. Suppose take one element, that is 3 minus 8 equal to 1. Satisfied? No. What is that? Understand the question. There exists means what? At least one element is there to satisfy this condition. Check out one by one. 3, not possible, not satisfied. 5, again not satisfied. 7 minus 8, not possible. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Yes. There exists in the sense one of the element is present from that particular set, then satisfy this. Here. What is that? See. Which one element is there? 9. Means 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Means what? Clearly that particular statement is satisfied. Then you can write. What do you write? Here. Clearly, X equal to 9. X equal to 9. That belongs to A. Satisfied that particular condition. Then the given set of the value is what? The following. Truth value of this particular statement is true. Getting or not? See here. What is that? There exists X belongs to A such that X minus 8 equal to 1. In this case, you have to satisfy or check out which one element is there to satisfy this condition. X is our variable. Having that number here 9 minus 8 equal to 1. At this stage, this particular condition is satisfied. Then find out the truth table. Means the given conditional is satisfied. Then so that the given statement is true. Hence the truth value of the given statement is T. Truth value of the given statement is T. Then check out second example is there. See, what is used here? This symbol is quantifier. quantifier means for all. Quantifier means that particular symbol name is for all. For all x belongs to A, x square plus x is an even number. See, what is that? Here is given for all. For all means this set. X belongs to A, x square plus x is an even number. यहाँ पे देखो, for all जितने भी वैल्यूज है, x belongs to A, वो सेट बिलोंग्स करता है A से, और x square plus x is an even number. You can put one by one the values of that particular set. Suppose x is take one value 3 here. 3 square plus 3 equal to 3 square 9. 9 plus 3 12. Is it even number? Yes. Means see here clearly that whatever the value set of this particular set A, because here is given for all x belongs to A, x square plus x is an even number. Check out one by one. 5 square, that is 25 plus 5, what is that? 30. 30 is again even number. Means clearly mentioned here, this particular statement is satisfied. Then right? How to write the answer? See here. For each x belongs to A. For each x belongs to A, x square plus x is an even number. Is an even number. So the given statement is true. Therefore, the truth value is T. Ready? Whenever solve this type of example for 1 marks, 2 marks, at that time you can write the answer like this. For each x belongs to A, x square plus x is an even number. So the given statement is true. The given very statement is true. The truth value of given is T. Then again check out third example. There exists x belongs to A such that x square is less than 0. Here is the condition. X belongs to A. There exists. There exists means any one of element that can be satisfied. X square is less than 0. Then what is that? यहाँ पे देखो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड होता है यहाँ पे ये जो गिवन सेट दिया है. What is the set? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Any one condition here. Suppose 3 square is less than 0. Condition satisfied होता है क्या? यहाँ पे देखो there exists x belongs to A. ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू है? Less than 0 है. Means minus. There is no values here. Then directly you can write. What do you write? There exists x belongs to A is not satisfied, or there is no x belongs to A which satisfied x square less than 0, so the given statement is false. Here write x belongs to A, x square less than 0 is not, there is no x belongs to A. There is no x belongs to A. X square less than 0 is not satisfied. लिखे तो भी चलता है. Otherwise, there is no x belongs to A. यहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा भी नंबर नहीं है तो x square less than 0. तो ये स्टेटमेंट कैसा है? False. The statement is false. जो भी कंडीशन है false है. The truth value is F, because the given statement or this particular equation is, what is that? X square less than 0 not satisfied. There exists belongs to A. X belongs to A is not satisfied. Then that statement is false. The value is F. Again, here is question number 4. What is that? Try to understand. What is that quantifier? For all x belongs to A, x is an even number. X is an even number. Clear? X belongs to A, x is an even number. X belongs to A for all. कंडीशन क्या है यहाँ पे? देखो यहाँ पे दिया है क्या? क्वांटिफायर फॉर ऑल. तो जितने भी सेट नंबर्स है, सेट ए सेट के अंदर जो भी नंबर्स है 3, 5, 9, 11, 12. X is an even number. कोई even number है क्या? देखो यहाँ 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. For all दिया. There exists है क्या? नहीं. For all. तो you can write here x equal to 3 belongs to A, x equal to 5 belongs to A, x equal to 7 belongs to A, x equal to 9 belongs to A, x equal to again 11 belongs to A. Means what? This particular set, see what is that? Do not satisfy x is an even number. Do not satisfy x is an even number. X is an even number for the particular case. See here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Getting? So that the given statement is false. The truth value is again the truth value is F. Because इवन नंबर है क्या? नहीं है. तो कंडीशन कैसा है? यहां पे अगर ऐसा दिया है there exists x belongs to A, x is an even number, then at this case this is true. But here is not given for all. The given quantifier is for all x belongs to A, then it is satisfied. Then check out x is an even number. So the given statement does not satisfy because all the values are false. Get it? Take example number 5. What is that example number 5? There exists x belongs to A such that 3x plus 8 is greater than 40. Greater than 40 means what? देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? 3x plus 8 greater than 40. There exists. यहाँ पे दिया है there exists. ऐसे कुछ नंबर्स है. ये इक्वेशन अगर सॉल्व करके उसका वैल्यू कैसा आना चाहिए? ग्रेटर देन 40. चेक आउट. 3 into x value is 3 plus 8. 3 into 3 9 plus 8. At this stage not satisfied that particular condition. चेक आउट. आपको एक एक नंबर लेके चेक करना पड़ेगा. तो दिया है क्या है यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन के अंदर? दिस वन. देयर exists एक नंबर है, ऐसा एक नंबर है उस कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड करता है. देयर exists. गेटिंग? तो कौन सा नंबर है तो वो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड करता है? वो नंबर आपको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ता 1 by 1. See here. 3 into take x value is 11 plus 18. 33 plus 8 is greater than 40. देखो यहाँ पे कितना आता है? 41 is greater than 40. Getting? Means satisfied. This particular statement is satisfied. Means the given statement is true for this condition. Then right? Clearly right. The given statement is satisfied and the statement is true. This particular statement is true. The truth value is T. देखो यहाँ ये 4-5 एग्जांपल्स है. इसके ऊपर ये सेट के ऊपर गिवन सेट एंड क्वांटिफायर एंड external and universal quantifier. Universal quantifier and external quantifier. There exists and again for all and there exists. ये दो कंसेप्ट आपको दिमाग में रखना है. Remember this. There exists. Sorry. For all and there exists. Get it? देखो इस ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उसके ऊपर से आपको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ता है और ऐसे लिखना पड़ता है आंसर. Get it?